This is the 9.5 Hotel in Chiang Mai, and this is Nowful of Life. That's the name of the channel. So we're here on the inside. You walk in the lobby here, bunch of seating, very nice indoor-outdoor feel. Check it out. Look at these fake plants. Very cool thing about this hotel, they have a complimentary section. Bunch of drinks and snacks and goodies here. Free water, free, it's all free, except for this fridge. The soda and the beer locked up because y'all motherfuckers crazy. We got a unicorn in the pool, didn't ride it, didn't swim in it. Was only here for one night, should have spent more time here. It was a very lovely experience at this hotel, in large part because of this man here. And this is James. He is the owner, operator, and architect of the hotel. This is the breakfast we had. And we met him while we were eating breakfast. He was just kind of saying hello to people. And we ended up having a nice conversation, and he offered me a cup of coffee. So I got an Americano, and it was very good. Very, very good. And I've had a lot of bad coffee in Thailand, so I was very impressed. And I was like, tell me, what's up with this coffee? Why is it so good? He's like, oh, I make it by hand. I don't know, you can make espresso by hand. What do you mean? He's like, yeah, I could show you. So, of course, I obliged and took his little coffee class, just a little one-on-one seminar, basically. And he showed me everything and then challenged me to make a cup. And so the chaos ensues. It's a good time.
Yeah.
Have a seat, girl.
The director's chair.
See, from now he gonna make coffee for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Barista.
Learning from the master.
Hey,
He's blowing behind right
what's
now.
your name again?
Jake.
James.
James.
We've been
Very nice to meet you.
talking but never
I know.
known again.
It's like we've been. How can you be best friends with someone you've never met?
I love it.
Thank you so much.
Don't need name.
I appreciate it.
Momo.
Huh?
Momo.
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 Good name. Momo.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Jake is good.
Yeah.
Okay, he's gonna make Americano for Momo.
Yes.
The first time of him
First ever.
First ever.
ever.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna clean it up first. Yeah. Oh, this machine called Super Cup.
Super cup.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Okay.
2 finger. Yes.
Alright.
Yes. And then open the back and yes, spoon.
We're using an award-winning
Yes.
local bean
Yeah.
We
All
are
right.
from Alright.
All right. All right.
Alright. It smells very nice.
We're at I'm Not Lazy, at 9.5 hotel
Yeah.
in
He
Chiang
never
Mai.
lazy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stop. Only 1, 2 bean.
Ah!
Okay, take it
Too
back.
many
He's
beans.
a teacher.
Two beans. Two
Is
beans.
he a good student?
Oh.
Yeah, he's okay.
Okay, that's
good.
good. That's good. 17.9 will do.
Yeah, I can do it. 7.95.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
So we're taking this,
Open the cap.
throwing it
Put it. Throw it.
into the grinder.
Yes. Close it up.
Turn
No,
the
no, no,
grinder.
no, no, no,
Oh.
forget the.
Ah,
Underneath it.
my
This is going back in the same in the
Yeah.
same cup. Almost like those fire things.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's all stuck in it. It's gonna be a bad thing.
Oh, shut up. Oh,
Mm.
good.
First
You just.
class.
Well, it smells good. You smell
Smell.
that?
Oh, you smell. Give it to
It's
her.
a little fruity, a little citrus, a little.
I love it.
I want that as an air freshener.
Because it's oil. Oil. Sure, it's
Very
oil.
aromatic.
Aroma. It's aroma.
And that little-
Called aroma.
It busted out of it.
Hi.
Yeah. Open. Grabbing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Good.
Yay.
Right. You do right.
Give
Exactly.
it a little something.
And the
This
routing.
one?
Here. This routing.
Let's see where we're starting.
Make it even. 2 or 3 rounds.
3 rounds.
That's enough. See, it's almost
Mhm.
good.
Perfect.
There's a little stuff in
Fine,
the corner.
fine, that's fine.
And then we're gonna press
because
it
you
with
lose
this.
some
Oh.
from there.
Yeah. I lost
Don't worry.
0.3 grams.
Still good, still good.
Press.
Oh yeah, it's got
yeah.
Oh, and then.
Mhm.
That's enough. Okay, good.
This is so fun.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Even how
Beautiful.
no stick on your finger anymore.
A little bit.
Yeah,
There's a little-
fine.
There's a little bit.
No
That's
more.
okay?
No,
Don't.
no bump more. You place it.
Okay.
Tapping one more.
Okay.
See, good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I need like this.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, I need like this. Okay, put the cup.
Mindful.
Looks good.
Good. You will get
I'm just
hair.
ready. I wanna do it. I wanna do it. I wanna... 82.
Practice steak.
This California guy. He look like he's a American Pie. Hey dude,
Dude, where's my car?
where is my car?
Weed.
Where's my car? You
got any weed,
man? 95.
Yeah, I love weed also.
Yeah. My man.
I grow it up in my house.
Do you?
I mix it up. I grow it up.
Oh, you can grow it.
Cultivating.
Grow it here.
Okay.
Go.
So it's at 96. So
Fine.
where is this water going?
Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Until the second.
It looks
Okay,
like
here. Even. No problem. Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Hmm.
Put it here. From now you have to be fast. Up.
Oh.
See. One. Look. 2, 3. It's coming.
Yes.
Go. Don't do too fast. Don't go too fast.
Okay.
Go. Keep it.
And then stay here.
Yeah, go.
Oh.
Go. Here, good.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I don't care about the
that
time.
was
Yeah. I don't care. I don't try anymore. But it's good.
Very
Go
spontaneous.
up. More.
Professional.
Stop.
Like right there.
Good. To stop
Yay.
here. Coming up. Okay.
Now I understand
You hold it
what's happening now.
This is art.
here. See.
This is art.
This is
Art.
3 layers.
Yeah.
Crema, the second and the third. See. And thicker crema is bigger than
Yeah.
the first one, right?
Definitely.
It's new.
Yeah.
New bean.
And
Okay.
So now
we
have our
gonna.
espresso. Such a satisfying
Okay, this is your
process with all the
first
right tools.
coffee.
Yeah.
Yay.
Give it
We're
to
gonna
Momo.
try it. I'm gonna try Jack's first coffee that he's handmade, and thanks to James at 9.5 Hotel in Chiang Mai.
First coffee.
Yeah.
First coffee.
First ever coffee that I've made by hand.
Yes, make my hand. Totally.
So good. This is what I love. I love this taste.
See?
It's so
He
good.
the best
It's
barista
Yeah.
in the future.
And you're the best teacher.
That's
Oh.
Great.
Sensei.
How different?
So,
So
very
good.
different from the
So good,
last
you should
See?
try.
from the last cup. Even though I messed up twice. It's alright, huh?
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing good.
What is it missing? No.
See?
It can always be improved.
Yeah.
I can drink all day.
Right.
This coffee.
Yay!
Very
Yeah,
nice.
and the
Very nice. Wow.
I'm a new man.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
So good.
It's fantastic.
So much fun, huh?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna finish
So,
all the water inside and
To
more
release the rest of
Oh, to
until
release the
until
foam.
it look like a
You
bump.
can have like a
yeah,
mirror
there's a
right
mirror here,
here.
so you're able to
Come on.
see.
That's real. Finish and then you crank it back
Ah, I see.
until this is up. You have to heal a little bit.
See, I didn't really understand how this machine worked until I actually used it. I was like, oh, this is what's happening.
See?
It's like it's
Mm.
actually pushing the water down.
Yeah.
Such a good toy.
Yeah. Love the toys.
You have to.
I gotta clean it up now. Yeah.
See, good. If you need more, clean it.
Yeah. This is just
Brush,
because
the
it's
brush.
satisfying. It's just
The brush.
it's so perfect.
Brushing. Yeah.
Men love this.
It's-
Men love this guy.
So
It's like
stuff.
when everything is like
This is like toys, it's like play.
it really is.
It can be in your kitchen.
Yes,
Small
yes.
shorter.
Yeah.
Oh,
And you
sure.
will be making it every morning.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
honestly,
it's
I,
happiness.
See?
I want this. Honestly, this is interesting. If you do a class like this,
You have to do a
the
class.
same way that you sell items that are in the rooms, like anything that's in the room is available for sale. If people come and take this class,
You can buy
and
a small machine.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you
can
should
have
partner
access
up.
to like
Yeah.
you could sell them any of the little materials here,
Exactly.
and maybe if you partner with Supercop and say like you get a discount as like an affiliate or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's
10%, 10% affiliate
Yeah.
link.
More marketing.
Yeah,
More marketing.
This
or,
one is
you know, or the little
from
features.
China.
Oh.
And very good quality.
Brand.
And very fine and very nice. Easy to clean.
Yeah.
Small
I
one.
see, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So the people who come to the class will be the people who love coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. and
Good
they-
drinking.
Yeah.
Good drinking.
Drink.
Yeah.
But never make a coffee.
Mm,
Right,
yes,
But they've been
yes.
drinking.
But they appreciate good coffee and
Yes.
the process. Like they want, yeah.
First they taste my coffee. Hey, how they doing? With the manual, not the big machine.
Yeah.
How you make it. This is can do variety.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
variety.
make any taste.
Manual.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say if I can make more fruity,
Mm.
that means I have to finish this in 20
In less
seconds.
time.
Less time.
Oh.
See, I can control the taste from the bean
Right.
by myself.
Yeah. Which
from
is
the grinder.
it's an empowering thing.
See,
Yeah. You can like take control of your.
it's fun.
Yeah. It's so good.
This is great.
So good.
And if you want to more fruity, lighter, I control the
You can
temperature
do
to
maybe a
be
little lower.
80,
Lower temp.
85.
Uh-huh.
See,
Yeah.
more fruity, no bitter. No.
And would that be a little lighter too?
Yes.
Like not as
Yes.
not as much caffeine maybe?
Yes,
Okay.
not dark, no burning.
Yeah.
I go for 95 is a little burn.
Uh-huh.
See, I can control the taste.
Right. Yeah.
So
That's-
from now you graduated.
Yay!
I'm
Congratulated! ขอบคุณ
Thank you
ค
so
รับ
much. Thank you so much.
See,
ขอบคุณ
Yeah,
ครับ
and you got
I want a little bit more. It's so good. It's so delicious. Good.
And isn't that the beauty of traveling? When you meet new people, have good conversation, and new experiences that expand you and that are just wholesome. To me, this was a lovely time. If you want to visit the 9.5 Hotel, I got links below. I was encouraging James heavily to turn this into a class and to offer it on Meetup as an event or different travel websites. So if he ends up doing that, I'll put a link below as well so that you can have an experience probably better than mine because I'm a slow learner. We'll see you here next time on Nowful of Life.